Hey guys, it's Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com, and today what we have for you is Alienware's new headset. They hadn't produced a headset in about 9 years or so, and they generally sell Razors and Logitechs and all that other sort of thing in their stores. But this is their first headset in a long time, and we were lucky enough to get our hands on one pretty quickly. And we wanted to show you what's inside and talk about the features. So getting these out of the box actually proved a little bit difficult until I realized just how easy it was. So save yourself this problem at home. Lift up here on the side, it's magnetic. And we open up and we get our presentation, which is actually very, very well done. Once we get our tape cut right there, we lift up. And instead of being held in place by wire ties like we so often see, these are actually held down with little Velcro straps. It's one off. Let's see if we can get the other off. There we are. Sausage fingers don't help. And there we go. So also in the box we have our accessory kit. There we go. It's a nice presentation on this as well. Tore the box opening it up. So there is our USB dongle to get them plugged in with. Let's open that up. We have a really nice braided cord here. It's nice ends, got a nice feel to it. They've also included a 3.5 millimeter stereo cord, so you can plug these in and use these as well. And it looks to be, that might be mic control on there, I have to check that out. And a little bit of a warranty and our instructions that tell us what everything is. Right out of the box, one thing that I like about this is I can set those down and they stand up. So I mean, that's really nice for putting them on your desk if you don't use a stand. The other thing about these right out of the box that I find it feels really weird is the head cushion almost, this feels like it's pneumatic almost. I mean, there's some cushioning in there. Look how soft this is. So we'll definitely test these on comfort for sure. Here's another feature that everyone is absolutely going to like. Those ear cups lay flat, so you can actually put them around your neck and lay them down on your chest. If you were wondering which one was right and which was left, these are microfiber. It says sports mesh ear cushions. These are extremely soft on both sides. And we do have, you'll notice here, let me see, we have rotation there to fit them on your ears correctly. So we got rotation on both axes there, which should certainly help those with odd shaped heads. Feels well built. And I guess we just turned them on. So there's our RGB lights. The battery life on these is supposed to be up to 16 hours. And with the RGB lights on, they're saying it could cut it in half. So if obviously if you don't want anybody looking at you, looking at your lights. So there we go. It's got automated, tells you if you're muted or not.
Mic on, mic off.
So you'll see our mic lays in that channel right there. So when it folds up, it's backing out of the way. And then obviously our microphone is very flexible right here as well. So you can put it back where you want. Let's see, after I get it bent and I put it up, obviously you can just push it back over. That seems to work really well. The power button that we inadvertently pressed a while ago is on this side. So there's our power up.
Mic off.
Back here we have our game settings for different EQ settings.
Movie. Music. Gaming. Mic off.
Have another mute button back here as well. So this is another nice feature if you're traveling somewhere and you've got your 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle. You can place it here. Let's see. Snap it in and keep it safe till you get where you're going. Pull it right back out. So it's a nice little holder. Around on this side we have a wheel for volume control. Then again there's our mute button if we don't want to boom the mic up. We have another control here that's on a wheel that shows a gamepad and a human figure. So I'm not really quite sure exactly what that does, but we'll find out. And it didn't say in the instructions either, so we'll see what that is. So obviously the best way to test headphones is to put them on and start gaming with them. My only concern really from looking at the specifications on these is these are 40 millimeter drivers, and 50 millimeter drivers have pretty much become standard in the industry. I believe these are 15 hertz to 25 kilohertz. I may be wrong on that. I'll have to get out the spec sheet and look all that up. But they look good. Like the way they feel. And we'll get to gaming with them and see how they work out. This is Kyle Bennett with hardocp.com.